Hey guys, welcome to Legal Livewire. Just wanted to kind of just let everyone know that I've been gone for a while, and it's just been a kind of a crazy year this year. But I'm back and in the swing of things. And today in court today we hear the case of Mr. Ngari. He stands accused of a bond violation stemming from a positive drug test, and he claims that his test was false positive and that a hospital administered a test that will clear his name. But, we all have heard it before a million times. But his public defender explains that, his test that was conducted on October 1st should show that he did not use cocaine. Despite this, the judge highlights Mr. Ngari's failure to produce the hospital result, doesn't know when the hospital result's going to come back, and just questions the reliability of the defense. So we'll just get to it, and then I have a bonus clip. Man, I can't remember what clip I had after that, but maybe I'll come back and introduce that clip. But if not, I have a bonus clip too with this one. I know there's been a couple of channels that have put this hearing up. I had it to be put up, but I was in Florida recording a podcast for Inside True Crime, which I'll be letting you guys know when that's about to hit. So, all right, enjoy the hearing.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Prenny on behalf of Mr. Gombardi. Mr. Gombardi, please state your name for the record.
Golam Gombardi.
We're here for a pretrial. Mr. Gombardi also has a pending bond violation. I did get an updated report from Ms. Kerr today. Mr. Gombardi is asking for an adjournment of the bond violation hearing. He did send out the test, and it did come back positive. However, he says around this time he did a test at the hospital. He takes narcotics for his some medical conditions that are prescribed. They do drug testing consistently there to ensure that he is taking them in accordance with therapeutic processes. And he reports to me that he believes that test that was done at the hospital would come back negative. He just has not received those results yet.
When is that test?
He says that test was around the time of October 1st. Is that right?
Yes. So is he indicating there was a test that came back that the cocaine is a false positive?
He is.
Really?
He's saying that he did not consume cocaine, and he believes this other test will show.
So when that test was sent out, it came back positive.
Yes, they sent it for a review.
They sent it for a review and it came back positive for cocaine.
Correct.
So now there's this other test that we're supposed to get, but we don't have the results that are going to show what?
He believes a different result than the test that was done at community
A
corrections.
different result, like no cocaine?
Correct. He denies, Your Honor, that he consumed any cocaine. He denies that he consumed any cocaine. He does have a list of medications that he also tested positive for opiates. He does have a list of medications that he provided both to community corrections and to me that do include prescriptions for opiates. I know the court is more concerned about the cocaine, as there's no medical reason to consume cocaine. But again, I can only report to the court that he maintains that he didn't use cocaine, and he wants to prove it to the court using this other blood test. We've spoken quite a bit about this, and he denies any use. He is asking that he not be remanded today. He again does want some more time. He has a
When
Eviction.
was this blood test or this test at the hospital?
Oh, he was in the hospital around the time of October 1st. He has an after visit summary. He was at Trinity Health on October 1st at 10:30. On that date, he did testing. And saw his doctor for his medical needs.
And we don't have the test results back yet?
Yeah,
No,
When are they expected back?
just give it time. I can get it back.
he says he just needs time. He,
When are they expected back?
do you know when they're coming back?
I can get it today, tomorrow.
Pardon?
I can get it today.
So you could have gotten it yesterday and then had it here.
I didn't know that. I have to bring it.
He says he, well, but Your Honor, he does want me to tell you that he does have a hearing on his, an eviction proceeding hearing today. He is concerned that he's going to be evicted if he is remanded, at this time.
No lease. I have to sign in my new lease. No eviction.
Where do you live?
And 2993 Cascade Drive.
In Ann Arbor.
Yes. And I have to sign in my new lease. I don't have no eviction.
He doesn't have an eviction hearing
You have to sign-
because they do those on Tuesday.
Okay, I'm sorry,
Today's Wednesday.
I misunderstood. He has to sign his new lease
Yeah, I
today.
have to sign in new lease. At the same time, I have to be on a court today at 2:30 for I'm victim and for the accident my damage my property.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry. He is the alleged victim on another case at 2:30 today
I'm the victim.
Where?
for damage to his property. Wednesday, 2:30, before Judge Garwood, Magistrate Garwood. It is a small claim.
It's a small claims. It's a civil action. Okay.
So, Your Honor, again, he's asking for an adjournment.
But he could have had his
For more
test
time.
results. If you want me to wait for, he could have had him here today because he just has to get them from the hospital. But he didn't do that. And then he comes here in court to say that I'm going to see this miracle test saying that the cocaine wasn't there when we've already had two tests that say that the cocaine was there. Have I summed that up correctly?
Your Honor, I don't know if, I don't want to, this is my assumption is that Mr. Gombardi was waiting to hear the results back from the sent out tests. Ms. Kerr did send up, I called her this morning and she said, oh, I didn't realize I had the results back. So perhaps he was waiting for those results to come back before getting the other tests because
Oh,
he maintains that he doesn't know where the cocaine is from.
okay. People.
Your Honor, this is an OUI second offense.
I know.
First offense is from 2018, and it involves a crash to a building.
You should, counsel, sign a release for you so you can get the test from the hospital. But at this point, the defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the jail. I'll adjourn this hearing to November 6, 2024, 9 a.m.
I'll come see you.
Hey guys, just coming back to introduce the next clip. Like I said, I remembered what it was, and I took a look-see to see who the defendant was. This poor guy, it's obvious that he's had some kind of stroke or something, and I think just due to communication difficulties that the prosecutor just decides to dismiss. But it's real interesting to watch just the quick dynamic that the compassion that happens in Judge Simpson's courtroom, and just go ahead and enjoy the clip, and I'll see you guys next time. All right.
Court calls case people versus Michael Hartwell.
Oh, boy.
Okay, take your time. Take your time. Would it be easier for you to sit down?
Yeah, I would. man.
Okay,
I had a stroke,
okay.
Take your time. And tell you what it was. my mother was supposed to have took care of it
Of this?
when I was in the hospital, and I didn't know if it was suspended.
Okay,
And then,
hold on,
oh,
hold on. We'll get to this. Okay.
Yeah.
What are we doing on this?
Yes, Your Honor, Assistant Public Defender Natalie Payworth on behalf of Mr. Hartwell. To my right, we are asking Mr. Hartwell believes his license is currently valid, Your Honor, and we are asking.
It is.
It is. Thank you. That he would like to take advantage of the potential offer made by Mr. Siller of double parking.
That is correct, Your Honor. Okay.
I thought they were gonna dismiss it because the license was not in, I paid for it. I thought they was gonna suspend it. I wanna fix it. I don't have no money to be given out. I
Okay,
just paid $200 and some dollars the other week, out of my, and then these wants me to pay another $180. I don't have that kind of money all the time.
hang on a second.
Here's the
Okay.
thing right here. This shows how I'm paying. I don't, that's it. I'm got no money to pay out. All the time. I just moved up here. And I got a lot of things I have to take care of too. Anyway,
John, I'm just gonna move to dismiss.
Pardon?
He's got a valid license. You confirmed it. I'm just
You're
gonna,
gonna move to dismiss?
I'm gonna move to dismiss.
Any objection?
Certainly no objection, Your Honor. Thank you. Thank you to both.
Sir, this case is dismissed.
thank you. I appreciate it. It's hard for me to get around. I have to have my vehicle because I can't. It had to come all the way down here to the last courtroom. I'm like, wow, I gotta make it down there. And
Okay.
it was hard for me to get.
But you know what?
But thank you.
I'm so glad you made it down.
Thank you. I was in the hospital for 6 months. I couldn't walk and I got up and I'm getting around now. And thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, have a good day.
You do the same.
Yeah.
And while I got to thank you, Mr. Siller, for that.
I gotta make it all the way down this hall. It's a long area. Yeah.
Work on safe.